Nalgonda Economics Forum. Welcome to Nalgonda Economics Forum. In this video, I want to explain about demand. What do you mean by demand? Demand is that the quantity of goods and services consumers are willing and able to buy at a given a price in a given a time period, right? Willing and able to. Willing means consumer should have desire whatever commodities he wanted to purchase. He should be have desire, at the same time he should have ability to purchase that particular commodity. Willing and ability to buy at a given a price in a given a time period. That is what demand, right? See, what do you mean by law of demand? Law of demand means that there is an inverse relationship between the price and quantity. There is an inverse relationship between price and quantity, right? There is an inverse relationship between price and quantity. There is an inverse relationship between price and quantity, right? What is inverse relationship all about? See, when the price is increases, the quantity demand will be decreases. When the price is decreases, the quantity would be increases. This is vice versa, right? When the price is increases, the quantity of demand would be decreases. When the price is decreases, the quantity of demand would be increases, right? I am coming to ceteris paribus. We have to keep an assumption here, ceteris paribus. What do you mean by ceteris paribus? All things remain constant, right? That is what ceteris paribus. And let us understand very deeper understanding with graph what is law of demand. See, this is what demand curve. This is OX axis, OY axis. On OX axis we had taken quantity, OY axis we had taken price of the commodities, right? See here, when the initial price consumer used to get some amount of quantity, right? When the price is increases, P2 means initial price to P2, that means the price is increased. So it is the quantity would be decreases, Q1, right? When price is decreases, P2, P1, right? Here what happens here? The quantity would be increases, Q2. When prices decreases, P2, here the quantity would be decreases. When the prices decreases, P2, P1, the quantity would be increases. Right? So when the prices increases, the quantity would be decreases. When the prices increases, the quantity would be decreases. When prices decreases, the quantity would be increases. This is what inverse relationship between price and quantity. Right? So we have to take assumption here, whatever the things, each and everything remain constant, right? If you focus the price and any other things, all things need to be constant. If you take an example, price, income, substitute good, complementary goods, means if focus the price of particular commodity, you have to keep constant all the remaining factors. That is what ceteris paribus, right? See, what is means why the demand curve downward slope? Why the demand curve downward slope? Left to right downward slope. Why the demand curve left to right downward slope? Because of there is income effect, substitution effect, and DMU, diminishing marginal utility. Income effect, based on income effect, when the income increases, the quantity of commodities would be differential. At the same time, substitution effect, that is what one of the major cause to downward slope. And diminishing marginal utility means when the consumer goes on consuming same commodity, the additional unit of commodity would be decreases, right? So that is what three major factors which are the factors to demand curve left to from right to left downward slope. That is the main reasons. I am coming to whatever other than price factors. Whatever means keeping constant price. At the same time, other things, changing other factors. Like for example, here the price is constant. Here, OX axis quantity and OY axis price. Here the price is constant, there is no change in the price. All remaining factors, whatever the income, substitute price, substitute goods price and complementary goods price, taste, preferences, passion, each and every price means other than price factors, there is a change in other than price factors, so the demand curve would be shifted, right? Here, see for example, there is a change in income. Generally, if income increases, the consumer quantity would be generally increases, right? So when income decreases, the quantity would be decreases. That is the reason why here demand curve would be shifted, right? See, when the consumer income increases, the demand curve shift to rightward. When consumer income decreases, demand curve shift to leftward. Right? So that is the reason why there is a changes in the demand curve. When income increases, demand curve will shift rightward. When income decreases, demand curve will shift leftward. Right? The same substitute goods also same as like that. And the complementary goods also and taste and preference. So if there is a changes other than price factors, there is a change in that, so there is a demand curve will be changes. It will changes means it will upward, means it will leftward or rightward. So that is a keeping constant price other than whatever the other factors will be changes. And see here, when the price increases, it will be contraction. When the price decreases, it will be expansion. Contraction. This is what? Expansion. Expansion of quantity of demand. When the price increases, the quantity would be contraction. When the price decreases, the quantity would be expansion. Right? So this is what law of demand. Right? Hope you are clear about demand and the law of demand. Other than price factors, the demand curve will shift upward or downward based on income increases. The price based on income increases, the demand curve will be shift rightward. Right. See, when income increases, the demand curve will shift rightward, and income decreases, the demand curve will shift leftward. Right. This is, we can take here Q, here Q2, Q1. Right. So here price is constant. So that is what ceteris paribus we can apply here. So all things, whatever the price is constant, all remaining factors we can change so that the demand curve will be shift rightward or leftward. Right. This is what demand and law of demand, and there will be changes in the whatever the other than factors, other than price factors. Right. So that is what law of demand, and here why downward slope. There are three factors: income effect, substitution effect, and diminishing marginal utility. These are the factors which will be demand curve will be left to right to left to downward slope. Hope you are clear about demand. Thanks for watching.